So once we begin to become aligned with the truth of our nature, once we begin to act in this way towards ourselves, it's a natural occlusion that we will act accordingly to other people, so we become safe to be around. We have the presence of self, which is undeniable. We have, coming from the depth, from the fundamental aspect of self, that becomes our motivational base. Well now, what else are you going to do once you've completed what you actually came to complete, which is to complete self, complete the integration of personality with the deeper aspects of the divine us? Then what else is there to do? Because as that happens, motivations change, desires change. Silly desires fall off, more intense and useful desires start to bubble up like champagne bubbles in New Year's. And so we begin to come from that place. Well, when we reach that place, we're now ready for service. And so the next aspect of the next 1,000 years, of the next evolutionary period in mankind's journey, its intended journey, will be to come into the service of others. Because we have everything. On a personal basis, we have peace, we have internal joy, we have fulfillment of self, and we've finished our life's work. Actually, that's it. So now that we've finished life's work, what is there left for us to do but to serve others? And as this bubbles out, as this expands, as this comes into alignment, then the joy becomes being in service. So there's no burnout because you're coming from source. You're coming from the fundamental you. And so this is the completion of coming into alignment with the Christ consciousness. Compassion, being the best that we can be in every moment. And then third, entering into true service. Not service where you'll burn out, because you're coming from the fundamental. You're coming from the fundamental source of yourself.